And I am Ashutosh Tripathi, science teacher, Sanskar Global School. Today we are going to discuss about the burning of magnesium ribbon. Burning of magnesium ribbon. ठीक है? And what you observe that magnesium ribbon burns with white flame. And after burning, we collect the ash, okay? And which is magnesium oxide. Now, material required for this experiment is magnesium ribbon. This is magnesium ribbon. This is what? Magnesium ribbon. Now, this is tongue which is used to hold the magnesium ribbon, ठीक है? And this is test tube burner which is also used to hold the which is test tube holder which is also used to hold the magnesium ribbon, okay? And this is watch glass. ये क्या है? Watch glass which is used to collect the ash after burning. And this is sandpaper which is used to clean the magnesium ribbon, okay? To remove magnesium oxide layer, ठीक है? It is used to clean the magnesium ribbon. Now, this is ignition source. This is ignition source. Here, spirit lamp is not available, so we use candle in place of spirit lamp. Is that clear to everyone? Now, first we take the strip of magnesium ribbon and clean it by using sandpaper. सबसे पहले हम magnesium ribbon लेंगे और इसको clean करेंगे by using this sandpaper. आपको सेफ्टी का भी ध्यान देना है. आपको डायरेक्टली dazzling flame, ठीक है, कि आप ऐसे देखते रहिए और आपको ऐसा नहीं देखना है. ये आपकी आंखों को हार्म पहुंचा सकता है, नुकसान पहुंचा सकता है, ठीक है. Now, take a strip of magnesium ribbon and hold it with test tube holder or tongues. Bring the magnesium ribbon near the flame, near the ignition source until it ignites. जब तक कि ये जले ना तब तक आप इसे किसी भी ignition source के पास रखिए. This is white dazzling flame. Observe the flame of magnesium ribbon. This is white dazzling flame. And collect the ash on the watch glass. आप watch glass पर ash को collect करिए. Collect the ash. This is white dazzling flame, white bright light. Magnesium ribbon burns with white flame. That's how magnesium ribbon burn. That's all. This is magnesium oxide. This is what? Magnesium oxide. Open the door. This is oxygen. When magnesium react with oxygen, it gives white ash powder, ठीक है, which is magnesium oxide. Okay? Here we conclude that magnesium ribbon burns with white dazzling flame. And you know magnesium is metal. Magnesium is metal. And this is combustible metal. अगर आपसे पूछा जाएगा कि आप एक combustible metal का एग्जांपल बताएं तो आप क्या कहेंगे? आप कहेंगे मैग्नीशियम. मैग्नीशियम इज द कंबस्टिबल मेटल. व्हाट इज कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंस? द सब्सटेंस व्हिच कैचेस फायर इजीली. जिसमें आसानी से आग लग जाए वो कंबस्टिबल